Welcome, Patriji. Sir, I would like to tell about this session, sir.
Yes.
This session I have started for 21 days in this summer vacation. So all the children are very interestedly participating. They are coming every day in this from 50 to 60 children every day attending. All these children are completely new to this meditation. Just now only they are connected to this meditation. Only 5 or 6 are old children. Rest all the children are very new to this, and everyone is doing so nicely, sir, and everyone having good experiences. So sir, she's Chetana, my daughter, sir. She will talk to
I
you.
know.
Okay, I wanted to share one experience. Recently, I meditated for 6 hours. There was conducted Akhanda Dhyan for coronavirus release. So in that meditation, I got an experience. So suddenly in meditation, I was having a vision, like I was drawing a picture in a big paper, and my hand was it was automatically drawing, and that drawing theme was save Mother Earth and save nature. After this vision, I got an intuition that if you save Mother Earth and if you protect it, if you take care of your nature, so in nature will in return will take care of you, and it will protect you, and from all virus. You will never get coronavirus and all. So I got this message like this. So there should not be non-violence. You should keep your roads clean. You should plant wherever you have space. So even terrace farming is fine. So you need to plant more trees. So this was my intuition message in meditation.
Yes, you are right. No violence against animals.
Yes, sir.
And plant plenty of trees everywhere. And keep your roads clean.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
That is how we take care of nature. When we take care of nature, nature will take care of us.
Yes.
When you don't care for nature, nature also doesn't care for you. It is mutual.
So shall we take some children's experience, sir?
Yes, Baba.
Samyukta, வாங்க.
நமஸ்தே குருஜி. என்னோட எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் வந்து என்னோட ஒரு ஹாப்பியா இருந்த ரிலாக்ஸேஷனும் இருந்தது.
எஸ்.
வேற என்னெல்லாம் கத்துக்கிட்டீங்க அது சொல்லுங்க.
மெடிடேஷன்ல நல்லா நான் நைட்டு தூங்கும் போதும் பண்ணிட்டு தான் தூங்குறேன்.
வாவ்.
கிளாஸ்ல வந்து என்னோட டெய்லி ஒரு டாஸ்க் சொல்வாங்க. அடம் பிடிக்க கூடாது, அழக்கூடாது, கோவப்படக்கூடாது, பொய் சொல்லக்கூடாது, அப்புறம் போன் டச் பண்ணவே கூடாது, அப்புறம் நைட்டு தூங்கும் போது தியானம் பண்ணிட்டு தான் தூங்கணும்.
क्या बात है? What a sweet baby.
1 minute, sir.
Yes, proceed. Yes.
Mind, physical eye, mind eye, third eye, fourth eye. Fourth eye, wisdom eye.
Okay, Baba.
Thank you, Kanna. Thank you. Sir, we have Piyusha, sir. Piyusha, first
Yes,
share your experience and then you can ask your riddles.
Namaste, Patriji.
Namaste.
One day, when I was joining Anita Pindi ma'am's spiritual sessions, when I was meditating, I saw Patriji meditating in front of the rainbows. I thought even I was sitting with Patriji and meditating. That was my experience.
Great.
I'll start my riddles. I have 3 riddles. The first one is, from birth to death, our Guru is with us only. Who is that Guru?
Anybody?
Without our Guru, we can't live few seconds also. Any clue?
No clue. No clue.
You can proceed.
Our breath is our Guru.
Acha.
Patriji used to say it. Okay, the second riddle. One day, I was thinking to ask my mother to prepare rice. At the same time, my mother was thinking to prepare rice. After some time, I went to my mother and asked, to prepare ice cream. Then she said, I was thinking to prepare ice cream. Then what is the power called?
Children
What
can
is the power
answer
called?
the chat box also.
Not meditation.
That is?
That is telepathy.
Yes, very good.
Telepathy. Okay. And now I got the answer.
Yes, Varsha told. Very good, Varsha.
The third question is, when we meditate, we used to get cosmic energy. While meditating, by using this thing, if we meditate, we get 3 times more energy. What is the thing?
I know.
I know it.
I
Yes.
always said,
Yuktesh,
ma'am and sir knows three.
Varsha, very good.
Not
So many.
Christian.
So
It is
many.
pyramid.
Very good, very good. So many children answered. Very good.
I am also answering.
Sir, first thing, you only taught us, sir.
Sakriti.
Piyusha is very great. Very great, Baba.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
What are
Piyush.
you studying, Piyusha?
Third class.
Third class. Okay. You are very, very good.
Thank you, sir.
You will become a great master in future. Even now you are a great master.
Dharani, are you ready? Sir, she is Dharani from Singapore, sir. Singapore, Bharati madam's daughter, sir. She is attending regularly our session.
Namaste, Patriji.
Namaste, Dharani ji.
In my vision, I saw water coming from one corner, and then the rest of the image was all black.
Okay. Yes. You are very good drawer.
Namaste, Patriji. She don't meditate here, but when connected to Chandrakala madam's session, she is very interested and doing it regularly. So I am happy connecting with her to her session. So she used to draw whatever the vision comes. I think this was some months ago. She got this vision.
Wow.
Yeah. And some more pictures are there, but she wanted to conduct a kid session, Patriji. She was saying to me. Thank you, Patriji.
Joshita.
Hi, Patriji.
Hi.
I am doing drawing. Shall I show you?
Yes.
Patriji, this is Shiva. This is Parvati.
Okay. I got it.
Patriji, I want to share. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I am doing meditation. For me, is the vibration in my hand, my leg vibrating,
Okay.
and I see the Krishna.
Okay.
Thank you, Patriji. That's all.
That's so much. It's not, that's all.
One storytelling is there, sir. Shall I call?
Yes.
Namaste Patriji and Chandrakala madam. My name is Vidyut and I am speaking from Chennai. Today I am going to tell a story. One day God was there. He started to know about his power, so he wanted to test them out. So he started meditation and thought of creating a mineral kingdom, which is the earth. He created that, but he thought the mineral kingdom was so plain. So he again sat in meditation and thought of something. This time he came upon an idea of planting a plant kingdom, which is he wanted to plant a lot of trees and plants. So he did that, but he still thought of creating some creatures on that. So he again sat in meditation, and this time he created an animal kingdom, which is the animals. So he created a lot of animals, birds and stuff. Again he sat in meditation, and this time he sat in deep meditation, and this time he thought of creating some people, which is us, the people kingdom. So he created us, and he thought of giving some senses to us. So he gave the 6 senses. After some days, the people started to know that whatever we ask, the God will give us. So the people started to ask, I want cake, I want ice cream, I want car, I want this and that. But the God was giving everything to them, but the people asked more and more and more. him. There they found him. The god hid in the high tree. There they found him. This time the god thought of the god thought a brilliant idea. So he hid in the people's soul, the heart. He hid there. The people could not even find them. The people went to the mosque, the church, the temples, thinking that the statues were the god. They broke the statues, but the god wasn't there. So what we learn from this is we are gods. If we do meditation, we can see the gods. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Namaste, Patriji. But today I saw today I felt a little bit dizzy. I felt a lot of dizziness in my brain, and one day I had a pain over here, and my teacher Chandrakala madam told me that my third eye was getting activated. So I was really happy about that, and I even made some paintings with the paint.
क्या बात है?
Chandrakala madam is teaching very nicely meditation. Thank you, Patriji, and thank you, Chandrakala madam.
Wow, thank you, Vidyut Vijay Venkatesh. ఇక్కడ అమ్మాయి ఉంది, ఈ అమ్మాయి అనుభవం చెప్తుంది. నీ అనుభవం చెప్పు. Tell your experience.
Every day 8 o'clock ki nenu meditation chesta 8:15 daaka, and every day chestanu, and oka roju miss avute and evening కూర్చుంటా meditation.
Thank you. నీ పేరేమ్మా?
Rishita.
Okay,
ఎన్నో
thank
క్లాస్? ఎన్నో క్లాసు?
Second class.
ఓ వెరీ గుడ్.
నువ్వు ఎప్పుడు నేర్చుకున్నావు ధ్యానం? ఎక్కడ నేర్చుకున్నావు?
మమ్మీ డాడీ దగ్గర.
మమ్మీ డాడీ దగ్గర నేర్చుకున్నావు. ఓకే.
Thank you.
రోజు పిరమిడ్ ఎంత సెట్ చేస్తాను?
ఇక రోజు పిరమిడ్ లో నేను 1 hour మెడిటేషన్ చేస్తా.
రోజు చేస్తావా? చాలా బాగుంది మా వినేదానికి.
1 hour, super. Listen, all childrens, 1 hour she is doing.
Meditation in the pyramid.
That too.
What is your advice to all the children? What is your advice?
Every day under meditation cheyali.
Thank you. Children, let us clap for her.
Good evening, Patriji.
Good evening, Baba.
My name is Pratiksha, and I am a grade 9 student studying in Hong Kong.
Wow.
Yeah. And I've been meditating for around 5 years. It was not very often, but I would do it only sometimes, like once a week or something. My mom used to meditate, and when she tells me to meditate, I would usually escape from her by saying as many excuses as possible. And from February 16, I don't know, because of some kind of random family problems, me and my mom felt like we were wasting our lives doing nothing. And so we decided to start waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning. I couldn't even wake up at 5, and my mom was expecting me to wake up at 3. I was a bit shocked, but we planned it, and I managed to get up at 3 o'clock. And we were doing it continuously, and we still do it sometimes. And when we had nothing to do in the morning, we decided to start meditating. And that's when we were new to PMC as well. So, as you say, when the student is ready, the guru will come. It was like that. When we were ready, PMC just out of nowhere came to us from YouTube. And I'm very thankful for that. And I have a little question regarding the non-veg thing that you told us about. So, I'm in Hong Kong. I don't get access to pure milk, organic milk. And I can only get milk from supermarkets. And those milk are from big companies. Milks are usually from forced breeding of cows, right? So if it's forced breeding of cows, isn't it like not good karma? So should I still drink that milk? Now that I don't take non-veg, I need more protein, right? Should I still drink that milk?
You can have any milk, no problem. Don't have meat, that's all.
Okay, thank you, Patricia.
Sir, next we will have some Silambatam, sir, video, sir.
Okay.
He's Toshit Kumar. He's studying in 7th class. Toshit Kumar.
Namaste, Batriji.
Namaste, namaste.
Batriji, I can share my experience, Batriji. One day while I am doing meditation, I saw some forest like something, Batriji, and I am doing meditation in that place. When I am doing meditation, some star like something I saw. And some gurus I saw in that meditation, Badriji.
Wow. Keep doing meditation like that.
He's coming regularly, sir. He's doing every day, regularly meditating, sir.
Yes.
And I have given the task that everyone while going to bed, they should do meditation and then only sleep. So everyone attending this session, so they are practicing before going bed, they will do meditate and they will sleep, sir. So shall I call next one, sir? Nakshatira Presinga.
Namaste, Guruji.
Yes.
I draw for you, Vander.
Wow.
Thank you, Batriji.
Wow.
Batriji, I can share my experience.
Yes.
My experience is one day, here was one pressure and I said to Chandrakala ma'am, then it was a third eye she said and I was very, very happy and I draw many more drawings one day. My drawing is not good and I do meditation. After meditation, it was come to the drawing. It is very beautiful. I draw.
Very good, very good. After meditation, all drawings are beautiful. Yes.
Good, Nakshatira.
Thank you, Batriji.
Draw 1,000 pictures in your future life.
Yes, Batriji.
You are very, very sweet.
Thank you, Batriji. And thank you for Chandrakala ma'am.
Thank you, Kanna. Ashmika.
Namaste, Badriji master.
Okay, Baba.
I am Ashmika, 8 years old. I am doing meditation 6 months, Badriji. My experience is I saw colorful stars in the sky and I saw Badriji master and me are flying in the sky.
Flying in the sky, yes.
Thank you, Badriji. And the next one is now I'm going to share about pyramids. Pyramid is Latin word pira plus mid, means fire in the middle. It has a square base and 4 triangles. Pyramids are energy stores, houses, shakti, kshetras. Each and everyone should have pyramids in their house and utilize for fast spiritual growth. Now I am going to share about 5-finger concept. Music, studies, play, work, meditation.
Very good, very good. 5 fingers.
Thumb finger is important to do work. Likewise, meditation is important for our life.
You are
thank
very,
you, Master, and thank
you are very, very perfect.
And thank you, Chandrakala ma'am.
Thank you, Chandrakala madam.
Thank you everyone. Lalit.
Namaste Patriji, my name is Lalit Sukrut. I am studying 2nd standard. My school is Chinmaya Vidyalaya, Kormangla. Can I show my drawings, Patriji?
Please show.
He's from Bangalore, sir.
Patriji, this is a girl holding a lotus, ma'am.
Wow, very big painting.
Our Indian culture.
Okay.
Patriji, this was a canvas paint. Patriji, canvas paper. I did it with fabric paints, ma'am.
Okay.
Patriji, and this is a bottle. I did it with oil pastels with like shadow, Patriji. It's like when you touch it, the color will come on your hand, Patriji. Patriji, my experience was like whenever I do meditation when I do meditation, it's like refreshed my full body, ma'am, and my mind and all. And I be like happy, and I be like so happy, which I spend my time with my parents, ma'am, and Patriji. That's it, Patriji. Namaste, Patriji, and thank you, Chandrakala, ma'am.
Namaste, 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 Lalitji. Your paintings are very good.
Thank you, Patriji.
Pranita?
Hi, Patriji.
Hi, hi.
I am Pranita, 6th grade, Erode district from Gopchettipalayam. I have started my meditation in November 2020. And before and after difference is, before and all, when I'm doing some drawings, I was very slow. When I started my meditation, I was very beautiful, neatly and correctly. And I'm doing my works. I'm doing all the works with awareness, and I'm going to singing class. I have many experience, Patriji. I would like to share one of my experience, Patriji.
Yes.
When I'm doing meditation, my astral body went out, flew to the forest, mountains, landscapes, etc. And I have set an alarm for 15 minutes. When I open my eyes, I cannot open my eyes. When astral body came into my body, then only I opened my eyes. This was a nice experience.
Wow.
And I thank Chandragala ma'am. She taught us 4 eyes, 7 bodies, 5 finger concept, and etc. It helps us too. Thank you, Patriji.
You are a great master, I say. And such a beautiful astral travel. My goodness.
Thank you, Patriji.
Yuktesh? PMC Balaji sir's son, sir, Yuktesh.
Okay, okay.
I'm Yuktesh. I'm studying for 2nd standard.
Hello, sir. He will play Mridangam now, sir. He has learned Mridangam.
Okay, proceed. Okay, Baba, very good, very good.
Laibhyam masma gama pata neitachya paddate shudram mruda daubalyam tatto tishta bhavantapa tatpayam o Arjuna పీకితనాన్ని తెచ్చుకోవద్దు అది నీకెంత మాత్రం తగదు తుచ్చమైన ఉదయ దౌర్బల్యం విడిచిపెట్టి యుద్ధానికి సంసిద్ధుడుగా.
Okay.
Karthik?
My experience is I saw only a river, ma'am.
Namaste, Badriji.
Yes.
I am 5 years old, Badriji. I am going to sing a song. చిన్న చిన్న పదం వైతు కన్నాని వావా మణివన్నాని వావా చిన్న చిన్న పదం వైతు కన్నాని వావా மணிவண்ணானி வாவா வண்ண வண்ண உடையோடத்தில் கண்ணானி வாவா மணிவண்ணானி வாவா மல்லியின் உள்ளே மலராலே அர்ச்சனை செய்வோம் பாவா மல்லியின் உள்ளே மலராலே அர்ச்சனை செய்வோம் பாவா மாதவனே ஆதவனே கேசவனே யாதவனே கண்ணாணி வாவா மணிவண்ணாணி வாவா சின்ன சின்ன பதம் வைத்து கண்ணாணி வாவா மணிவண்ணாணி வாவா. Thank you, Badriji.
Wow, wow, wow.
Namaste, Badriji.
Yes.
My name is Karthik. I am going to ask riddles, Badriji.
Okay.
Riddle. Move through life without me and you will not achieve your goals. Too much of me and you will surely fall. Who am I?
Who are you?
The answer is confidence. I am an accumulation of things from the outside. The earth is my mother
but I have billions of sisters and brothers. The answer is the body. Third question. We can poison without sitting. We can inspire nations. Our size matters not. What are we?
Can you repeat the question again, please?
You can't have me without experience. People crave me deeply, but I can't be forced when I am present. People listen.
Truth.
The answer is wisdom.
Yes, Baba.
Thank you, Badriji.
You are too clever.
Thanks, Badriji.
Dancer, pyramid dance.
என் பேர் காந்திகா. நான் வந்து 9th ஸ்டாண்டர்டில் படிக்கிறேன். இன்னைக்கு நான் பத்ரிஜி பகவத்கீதாலேருந்து சில முக்கியமான விஷயங்கள் சொல்ல போகிறேன். நான் யாரு? நான் வந்து ஒரு ஆன்மா. இன்னைக்கு இந்த ஆன்மா பற்றி தான் நான் சில ஸ்லோகாஸ் சொல்ல போகிறேன். தேஹி நோஸ்வின்யதா தேஹே கௌமாரம் யௌவனம் ஜரா ததா தேஹாந்தர பிராப்திஹி தீரஸ்தத்ர ந முஹ்யதி. இப்போ ஒரு ஆன்மா உடலுக்குள்ள போய் பிறந்து அது பேபி, டீன், யங் ஏஜ், ஓல்ட் ஏஜ் ஆகி அந்த உடல் பாழா போயிடும். அதுதான் டெத்துன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அதே ஆன்மா வேற உடலுக்குள்ள போய் பிறகுறது தான் பர்த்ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. இந்த விஷயம் தெரிஞ்ச ஞானிகள் யாரும் டெத் பத்தி வருத்தப்பட மாட்டாங்க. செகண்ட் ஒன், வாசாம்சி ஜீர்ணானி யதா விஹாய நவானி கிருஹ்ணானி நரோபராணி ததா சரீராணி விஹாய ஜீர்ணானி அந்யானி சம்யாதி நவானி தேஹி. இதுக்கு மீனிங், கிழிஞ்சு போன க்ளோத்ஸ் நம்ம தூக்கி போட்டு எப்போ புதுசா போட்டுப்போமோ க்ளோத்ஸ், அதே மாதிரி பழைய பாழா போன உடலை தூக்கி போட்டு ஆன்மா புது உடல்ல நுழையும். தேர்ட் ஒன், நயனம் சிந்தந்து உடலுக்கு மட்டும்தான் ஆன்மாக்கள். ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணா எப்படி என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா, நம்ம இந்த உடல் கிடையாது, நம்ம வந்து ஆன்மா. மரணம் என்றது உடலுக்கு மட்டும்தான், ஆன்மாக்கு கிடையாது. அதனால நம்ம எந்த வியாதிக்கும் பயப்பட தேவையே இல்லை. பத்ரிஜி பகவத்கீதா படிங்கள், தைரியமாக வாழுங்கள். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
நன்றி, வணக்கம். தேங்க்யூ தேங்க்யூ தேங்க்யூ.
Amrita and Madhav.
Hello Patriji, this is Madhav and he wants to show his drawing he did for you.
Okay.
And,
absolutely marvelous.
So I would like to tell my experience I had during meditation.
Yes.
I felt like my head was paining a lot when I was doing the initial days of meditation. Later that pain faded away, but I can feel something over here. I don't know what was it, but later Chandrakala ma'am told that it was the third eye. First I did not know what was it, but later when ma'am told, I started to understand what was it, and I learned a lot of things from this session. I came into meditation due to this session only. And my brother told like he felt a lot of like stars he can feel, and he also learned many values like we should not be lazy, we should not see mobile for a lot of time, and we should be disciplined to our parents, etc.
Wow, wow.
Thank you, Batriji.
Speak, Madhav.
Namaste, Batriji.
Namaste.
I am Madhav Batriji.
Okay, Baba.
I am studying class 4th.
Okay.
My head was very weight when I did meditation, Batriji.
Yes.
And also, sometimes I saw color like red, blue and green in my third eye.
Okay.
And also my forehead was paining. And my head was also very weight.
Yes. That's how it happens. Yes, in meditation. Yes. In meditation, third eye gets activated.
Arishwa.
Namaste, Patriji.
Namaste.
How are you, Patriji?
I am very, very fine. I am having my chai.
My experience was, I will wake up at 5:30. I will meditate all the day. I will meditate and mind is clear the full. I will have class at 6:30. I will study well for meditation. So that's my experience, Guruji.
Wow, wow, wow.
Shreya.
Namaste, Patriji. My name is Shreya and I am in 6th grade. So I've been meditating since May 3rd when the session started. I was getting new experiences while I was meditating. And once when I was meditating, I was able to feel my body vibrate. And I was going through my imaginations, like in the sky and colors and everything and etc. So meditation gave me a really good experience, and nowadays I'm meditating every day and before I sleep, and I'm not getting any nightmares nowadays, because starting I used to get sometimes nightmares, and nowadays when I'm meditating before I sleep, I never get nightmares. And meditation gave me really good experiences and memories.
Oh, you are too good, yaar. Teach all your friends meditation.
Yeah, sure, Patriji. Thank you, Patriji.
Saujanya.
Namaste, Patriji. I share my experience, Patriji.
Yes.
Patriji, I finished my meditation. I saw 1, 2, 3 going slowly, Patriji. Many letters I see, Patriji. That's my experience.
That's your experience.
Thank you, Patriji.
I am very happy that I heard your experience.
Meena.
I'm Shavantika. I will do meditation daily. I'm every day happy. Thank you, Patriji.
Wow.
Good evening, Guruji. I love meditation. It gives so much energy. Daily, ma'am gives tasks. By following that, I became good conduct. My father said after doing meditation, I became active. I will do meditation daily, both morning and night.
Very good, very good. What are you studying?
I'm studying 6th.
Romba Nandri.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir, for coming. We are very, very, very happy, sir. Thank you.
Bye-bye, thank you.